Hello, it's the Ignore. Today I'm going to show you how to create two essential accounts for your professional and tech journey, which are LinkedIn and GitHub. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, or just looking to build your online presence, these platforms are must-haves. Let's get started. So I will be taking in two parts. Part one is about LinkedIn, and part two is about GitHub. How to create these two of the platforms. Okay, let's start the video. So in the first page, I have to this is the LinkedIn website. So what you have to do first, you have to sign up this account with your email. So I already signed up, that's why it's popping out. It's just if I put it's there. This is like that. Agree and join. They need to verify, pick the image that is currently up. This is security check, and let's start. This is now the face of showing my interface. You have to put your location, then start. My recent job, I'm a student, whatever, school, college. I put International Islamic University, not here. 2024 and year 2028. Continue. Not really, but I would consider next. Job details, job addiction, student. Student again, student. Job locations and nothing. I'm open. Just don't know. Just put anything. You have Chidang, just Chidang. Chitram, Bangladesh. Next, next, next. Have to put next. No, thank you. Skip for now. This is just a random account I have created. I have my verified account. Follow next. So here you go. This is my interface. This is my not a good picture. So let's start there. This is the main thing you have to put. This is the key information. It's need to be put. First, this is my name, file name, additional name. Then I'm a student, position, industry, not at all. I'm not working anywhere. This is my education, and Bangladesh. This is my location and website link. Just I can put like this is my LinkedIn account or GitHub. Can put here my GitHub account. Here we go. This is my GitHub account. Can put in here. I said that's my thing. Okay, no thanks. Discard. So then set up your profile, your resume. You can put your resume, job preference, education, skill. You can add your skills like I want engineering, say IC, and say that's it's no thanks, thank you. Then you have to put your preferences like what's your key point, what's you can offer. This type of things you can put in here, like I have put it in my profile like this simple and minimalistic profile I have created. So that's it. This is the interface and how to create a LinkedIn account. I have showed you in the whole process. So thank you to. So now let's the second part. Let's jump to the second part. Creating a GitHub account. Create GitHub is a platform develops for developers to collaborate, share code, and contribute to open source projects. If you are into a coding or planning to learn, this is must have. Here's how to create an GitHub account. First, go to GitHub website. Then you can. This is the interface in the first phase. Then you can sign up here. Then so that's it for today. In today's video, if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Let me know the comments if you like me to cover more tips and using LinkedIn or GitHub. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon in the next one. Bye. Thank you.